Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 24th, 2024. We have already solved two puzzles, two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary. And we have not so good news today because today we have no extra puzzles. And the news of today, war day number 882. Yes, 882 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, all right, this one will be number 8959. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 ones. That means in a row, or in a column, there's always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Yeah, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. No, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Alright, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then let me see. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Oh well, this row. Yeah. First row and the third row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. Yeah. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I need to compare again. With a double. Not the same, not the same. Yeah. This column and the first column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 8 minutes. We solve it again, we solve it again. Only twice we need to compare. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow, yes, on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.